Hi, I wanted to do a little intro about my next day workshop on May 6th. It's a workshop called Working with Genital Dearmouring. So my name is Marian Elliott and I've been working in the field of Tantra, counseling and trauma for about 10 years now. And this workshop, we will actually have an opportunity to work with the genitals itself. Now that can be kind of sounding a bit edgy or scary for people, but I can assure you that we can work in this workshop fully clothed and totally energetically as well without receiving any actual physical touch. However, for those people who want to explore that possibility, there's an opportunity to basically work with the genitals just like you would work with any other body part. So the vulva and the vagina and the lingam and the testes, they are organs with tendons and muscles just like any other organ, and these muscles can contract. This contraction leads to a reduced sensitivity, a reduced ability to orgasm. So it can be a really liberating experience to have these body parts touched not as a sexual part for arousal and interrelational play, but actually just touched as a body part that needs release, that needs massage, that needs healing. And yeah, this is what we'll be offering in this workshop. So if you're interested, go to the website's event page, tasteoflove.com.au.